everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix Payout account is restricted from monetizing on Facebook in 5 simple steps. So step number 1 is to check monetization eligibility. Open Creator Studio or your professional dashboard, and then you just have to go to Monetization Tools section to see why your account is restricted. Step number 2 is to fix any violations. Review any listed policy violations, and then remove or update content flagged by Facebook. Now for step number 3 is to verify your account. Update your payout details, including tax information and bank account. Submit a valid ID or government ID if requested. For step number 4 is to appeal the restriction. If you think the restriction is a mistake, click Request Review in Monetization section and explain your case. And lastly is to contact Facebook support. If the issue persists, visit the Help Center or your support inbox and report the problem for further assistance. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue and restore monetization on your Facebook account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!